Welcome back, guys. Resourceful Marcus here. So in this video we're going to take this top of this aquarium cover where it holds the light, and I'm going to modify it. Alright, so just give me a moment here, okay? Let's see what we can do here. Modify this. Make it fit. Hey, give me one moment, guys. LED light, small little LED aquarium light. Put it inside here. Now I already removed some of this unit here. Just gonna see here. I could just pop that out. Pause this video for a moment to see what I can do here. Alright, so I grabbed a little flathead screwdriver here. I'm trying to remove this in here where it holds the wiring. Get that off there. That stupid clip comes off. Comes out there, guys. Somehow. I filled with one of these before. Junk. Chinesium junk. Flat screwdriver. Alright, so what we're going to do now, let's see if I can just tuck this in here like that. And it looks like that will work. Nope. Looks like that'll work. Fiddle with this. Yeah, I think that'll work. Not sure on this. It's cable. Kids, honey. Kids. Let's pause this video and bring her inside. Alright guys, I'm gonna just grab the light and bring it in now, and I'll try and fit that lid on here with the light, okay, on this little 20-gallon aquarium. Just give me a moment here. Alright guys, so got this LED light here. I'm gonna sit in here. That I originally was using on my hexagon 20-gallon hexagon aquarium. Okay, so that'll sit like that. And then this cover, let's just see here what's going to happen here with this cover. That wire there, I'm probably going to have to modify this cover a little more here. I would suspect. So, what I'm going to have to do is, I'm going to have to notch back here for the wire. So I'm going to need to mark that with a silver marker, and I'll have to just grind that out a little. Just kind of do is notch it here. Here's my Dremel. And I'll just notch that out. So we're going to have to go back outside there for a moment. Notch that out and then it'll sit on there. Alright, that's pretty easy. I already had that light, so I might as well use it for now on this aquarium. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video and get set up, and we're going to go back outside, okay? You can see the lid sitting on there for the light here. Alright guys, so I'm going to set up my little professional little Dremel here. Get her going here. Just bear with me as I set this up. It's not something I use all the time, but when I need it, comes in handy here. Just bear with me guys, get this set up. Oh, good. Maybe that goes like that. Use that guys. Just screw this cable up. Like that. Just bear with me guys as I get this set up here. Dremel. Plug her in and get her going here. I'll move the camera in a moment guys. Alright. primer around here. And I need my little tool here to put in there to grind. Just use this little tool. Alright. Wear your safety glasses when doing this. And we're going to modify now. Let me grab the lid, guys. I gotta grab the lid. Alright, so we're going to modify it right here where I marked it, with the little silver marker. That's where I'm going to modify it, alright? Let's fire this Dremel up here. That's where I'm going to grind it, guys. Tilt this down so you can see what I'm doing here. Just grinding it out there. Turn it on higher. Here we go. So with that little grinder, little tool there with the Dremel, you can see how I notched that out now. That's just so the wire will fit. Alright guys, let's pause the video and we'll bring it back inside. Okay guys, back inside now. Notched that part out. For the cable here. Set this back on. Where she has to go. Fit in there as best I can, guys. There we go. Okay, now you can see the little cable here with the controller where it's fitting through the notch there. That's perfect. It's going to work now. Shouldn't be a problem. It'll work. Right there now. Perfect. Cute little 20-gallon aquarium. Got some water in it now. Getting it ready. I'm going to order some more juvenile fish. I had a major failure with some juvenile fish. I'm going to have to do a reorder on it. Anyways, the lid is on here, covering the light is inside there, and that'll work, guys. Simple modification. Alright, Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Appreciate it very much. I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.